Falls are the #1 cause of injuries, and in some cases death, for older Americans. I didn't want to be another statistic. Neither does my family. I felt unsteady going up and down the stairs. Most stair lifts didn't fold up narrow enough or had an awkward folding rail system. Then I discovered Pinnacle. It's compact, stays out of the way so others can pass by, and it's maintenance-free. I don't want my grandkids, my wife, or guests inconvenienced because of my stair lift. My compact Pinnacle and automatic folding rail gives me the peace of mind knowing I've made my home safer.
There are 90 million people in the United States that have trouble walking or climbing stairs. My son is one of them. He's an active kid who wants the same easy access in our home that most children have without thinking of it.
We love our Pinnacle Stair Lift. It rides so smooth and it's really easy to use. I struggled going up and down the stairs, and it was a real hassle. But now that we have our Pinnacle, I wish we could have made the decision a couple of years ago.
These are the moments Pinnacle brings to those who own it. It's the simple things that most of us take for granted every day because access to their homes aren't a problem. It doesn't have to be a problem in your home either. The Pinnacle Stair Lift gives you the freedom to go up and down the stairs with confidence. It gives independence. It gives peace of mind. The Pinnacle isn't just a stair lift. It's a quality of life for those who own it and their families. The Pinnacle Straight Stair Lift by Harmar, made with you in mind. Call your local dealer now.